In order for trains to run smoothly, it's necessary to clean the tracks at least once a week. This involves using a track rubber over the entire track. I have found the Fleischmann track rubber is the best for this job for the following reasons. All cleaning fluids leave a residue. This includes CRC contact cleaner, isopropyl alcohol, and CRC 226. The residue attracts dust and means the track gets dirty again faster than it should. The Fleischmann rubber does not contain metal particles as others do, so it will not damage the railhead. To use the rubber, simply run it back and forth over the track with some pressure. When you run the rubber over the track, it will feel rough when the track is dirty and smooth once it is cleaned. Run it over a couple more times once it is smooth. On points, I suggest an extra 5 or 6 wipes as the point blades are very thin and even the smallest amount of dirt can cause issues. Test the track by running a locomotive over it at slow pace. If the train stalls, that section requires more cleaning. Derailments. These can be caused by a track that is not 100% properly laid, changes in grades and rail joints. If a carriage derails, you can use a derailer to put it back on the track. Simply paste the derailleur on the track and slide the carriage over it to correctly place the wheels on the rails. These two simple functions can fix most issues with trains stopping or derailing. With an unattended layout, you can now ensure that many issues are fixed quickly. You can now have hours of trouble-free running.